Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can change your profile picture or photo in WhatsApp, for example, on your Android device really quickly and without any further hesitation. So let us get started. So launch the WhatsApp application on your Android, and here on your home feed, simply tap on these three dots in the top right corner. And after that, select settings from that drop down menu. And after that, simply tap on your profile icon here in the top left corner. And next, simply tap on that camera icon here. And after that, WhatsApp will ask you whether you would like to upload a photo from your phone gallery, for example, or to take a photo of yours to use that as the profile photo or picture, or alternatively use an avatar. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to upload a photo from my phone's gallery. So tap on gallery here, select the photo from your gallery you would like to use. You may, for example, also crop the image just like that and confirm by tapping on done here. And once it's done, the given photo will be used as your profile picture. And that's basically it. That's how to do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.